Hi, I'm Victor from Project Plan 365, and today I'm going to present to you all the views from our program so that you can better track and manage your project. Let's get started. Views are used to enter, change, and see information for effective schedule and tracking projects. Project Plan 365 can display project informations in task views, resource views, or assignment views. Each view fits to a specific need by presenting data in a logical format. Let's talk about task views available in Project Plan 365. The default view of a project file is called the Gantt Chart view. For a better understanding, let's open a sample project file. As you can see, the default view is the Gantt Chart view. The Gantt Chart view consists of a table and a bar chart that illustrates a project schedule. In general, this view contains task name, task duration, start and finish dates, and a bar chart drawn based on task durations. Names, assignment, resources, duration, start and finish dates are presented on the left side in a table format, and the bar chart is presented on the right in the graphical format. Gantt charts are one of the mostly used management tools for project scheduling. Now, let's talk about calendar view. That helps you to have a big picture on task schedule in a specific week or month. The calendar offers the possibility to review your project task in a calendar format. Task bars span the days of the week that the tasks are scheduled. For example, on Task 5, Prepare and Submit Project Schedule, we can clearly see that it takes 2 days and has a start date on September 8, 2020. This familiar format enables you to quickly see which tasks are scheduled on particular days, weeks, or months. The network diagram is a flowchart graphic that provides an easy way to view task dependencies and the critical path of your project. A box, sometimes called a node, represents each task, and a line connecting two boxes represents the dependency between the tasks. In this view, you can easily find the critical path of the project because the red boxes represent critical tasks. Now let's move to the Tracking Gantt view. The Tracking Gantt view looks very similar with the Gantt Chart view, but it offers more information about project delays, the actual versus planned information. The Tracking Gantt view is a list of tasks with a bar chart showing planned and scheduled bars for each task. Let's take a look on Task 29, where the planned start date was September 7, 2020, but the actual start date is September 9, 2020. Timeline is a professional-looking snapshot that presents only the key milestones or deliverables of a project. Is it useful as a visual way of showing the tasks that need to be accomplished in a timeline format? A timeline can really help you out when you need to see the bigger picture of your project. One of the most used resources is the resource sheet view. The resource sheet displays resource information in a sheet format in which you can view information about each resource. Such information includes the payment rate, the number of work hours assigned, and the planned baseline and actual costs. You can use resource sheet to review the total number of resources in your project, the number of hours worked assigned to each resource, and the resource costs. An important aspect of your project is to monitor the assignment for each of your resources, because some resources might be over-allocated and others might be under-allocated. For this, we need to check the resource graph view. The resource graph displays a bar chart view of an individual resource's workload and availability. This view allows you to quickly discover whether the selected resource is over-allocated or under-allocated for a specific period of time and by how much. An example of an over-allocated resource in our project is the General Construction Project Manager resource. An under-allocated resource in this project is General Contractor Procurement. In the end, let's talk about the task usage, resource usage, and team planner views, which are all assignment views. The task usage view is a daily breakdown of the hours for each resource in your project. It is a view that shows the resources assignment for each task and the amount of work that each resource needs to perform over time. Let's take a look on Task 7 called Obtaining Build Permits. We can see that there are two resources assigned to it, the General Construction Project Manager and the General Construction Procurement. In this side, we can see that these resources are assigned to work 4 hours per day on this task for 4 days. Let's move on to Resource Usage view. Resource usage displays the work allocation for each resource for a specific time period. So basically, the resource usage view helps you determine how many hours a resource will work in a period of time. As you can see, the General Contractor Project Management, and in the right side of this view, there are total hours allocated for this resource on each task. When it comes to teams, you can access Team Planner view. Team Planner offers project managers greater visibility into and control over their team's work. With this view, you can easily see what your team members are working on. You can also view the resources assigned to the tasks, the unassigned tasks, and over allocations. all-in-one efficient view. For the electric contractor resource, we can see in the right side all the tasks that he is working on. Also, the unassigned task on this project is called Submit Monthly Request for Payment. I hope that using standard views in Project Plan 365 will help you to reach your goals. For more info, you can access projectplan365.com/standardviews. Thank you for watching the video.